Welcome, this is Dr. Nishkan Patwa for Channel NE24. Newborn victim of extreme negligence at Silchar Medical College. It is learned that a baby girl was born to a very poor couple, Suraj Roy and Kuntimal, of Punichara area of Dhalai on May 21, 2025 at Dhalai Primary Health Center. The day after the birth, the newborn developed respiratory problems, so the doctor referred to her to Silchar Medical College. After reaching the Silchar Medical College, shortly after the injection, the child developed unusual pain and swelling in her right hand. The infection spread quickly and the hand started turning black. When the child's father questioned the doctors on duty about the matter, they downplayed the incident and said, "It is a common infection, it will get better." Further, the child was referred to Guwahati Medical College. However, due to financial constraints, the family was unable to take the child out for advanced treatment. On June 6, 2 days after returning home, the family was informed by an ASA worker that the child's CDR report would have to be prepared. However, the both of mother and the child were alive at the time. Locally, it is known that CDR reports are usually prepared after the death. After this incident, extreme dissatisfaction spread in the Punichara and the surrounding villages. There has been no response from the district administration on this incident so far. For more news and updates, subscribe to our channel NE24, YouTube, and support us by following our Facebook page.
Medical College Hospital একটা মর্মাহত কথা শুনে আমরা একত্রিত হয়েছি। আমাদের পুনিচরা বাগান থেকে একজন মহিলাকে নিয়ে মেডিকেল কলেজে অ্যাডমিশন করা হয়েছিল। বাচ্চা প্রসব হওয়ার পরে ধলাইতে বাচ্চা প্রসব হয়েছে। এরপরে মেডিকেল কলেজে প্রায় 14-15 দিন ছিল বাচ্চাটি।